Hush, little snowflake, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a sock advent calendar from Disney Springs. That's what you want. How do we end it?
Vlogmas.
No! Okay, so tonight Alice and I are going to the Gaylord Palms in Orlando. It's pretty much like an amusement park, but inside of a hotel.
Literally silence and then, well guys!
So the theme of ICE this year is A Christmas Story. So Allison bought us these bougie Walmart t-shirts. Yeah, let's go to the Gaylord Palms. All right, we're gonna do a lookbook now of you wearing the shirt.
What's a lookbook? That didn't work at all.
Look how beautiful all these palm trees are. These automated doors with Christmas trees on them. Come on, Christmas tree. We're gonna watch Christmas tree lighting, but it's already lit, so I think it's gonna be music with lighting. All right, Christmas tree, dance for us. It started. Oh my God.
What is the dream that you dream at this special time of year? When excitement builds for the special night that draws ever near.
There are so many colors going on. That was the greatest Christmas light show I've ever seen. Alright, I'm gonna write a letter to Santa. Hi Santa, if you're watching this, buddy, I could really use this stuff this year. So we got Dom to smile, some churros, and a better job. Alright, time to go to the North Pole Post Office. I think he needs an update from dial-up. Come on, Santa. Here we go. Okay. What?
No.
Is it scanning? Oh, we're gonna send a snail mail. That's how he'll get it. Okay. Mush.
Oh, yeah. Daddy can lift you up.
Yeah, he'll get it. Alright, so they have an acrobatic show we're about to watch right here. They were just hanging from their mouth. The girl about to give me a heart attack right now. That show had me shook. I was scared for their lives. Saying I would never want to look like that because of the upkeep. I'd much rather look like this. Hashtag dad bod going on. It's time. We are in ice and it is cold already. Alright, so the theme this year is the Christmas Story and it is Allison's favorite, as you can see. What the fudge are you wearing? Alright, time to get chilly. Gosh, it's so empty. Last time I was here, it was slammed. It was like a Halloween Horror Nights like queue. It looks like it's snowing, but it's actually just a screen there. I thought they had some of that snow coming from the ceiling. Alright, let's see the full-on jacket.
I can't put my arms down.
It's about to be 8 degrees ahead. Be 8 degrees ahead. Right now, we're a bunch of marshmallows.
We're kind of toasty.
Said brr, about to be 8 degrees ahead. 8 degrees.
The be 8 degrees ahead.
I got 5 layers on.
Right now, we're a bunch of marshmallows.
We're kind of toasty.
Oh, God. It's so cold. That is so beautiful. The fishnet?
There it is, my house. A good old Cleveland street. No, I screwed that up. Hold on.
There it is. This is just like a projection. And it looks like the car parked right there.
What are these perverts doing?
Looks like the 4th of July. Ah, there it is. The holy grail of Christmas gifts.
I just love how detailed they are. Triple dog dare you. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, he lost a finger. Oh my god, he lost a finger. It's down there. It's his middle finger. It's
Not a finger.
That's your favorite quote in the
Yeah.
entire movie?
Not a finger. The Tony's are done.
What?
He said, what? What? Do you know where he heard it? Probably his father. No, your son Schwartz. What?
I never knew I've ever wanted to see the scene where he's got soap in his mouth. They got real toilet paper though. Let's see what they're reading. It's like a murder happened there.
Fragile. Must be Italian. So this scene is incorrect. That's not how it was in the movie. If that's how it was in the movie, they'd be getting hit by oncoming traffic right now. They were on the other side of the vehicle. That's not safe.
You gotta send him a memo. Go to
I
guest
know.
relations.
He didn't say fudge. He just said fudge.
So it's actually carving ice right now. The workers must be immune to the cold. I never thought in a million years I would see this made out of ice. God, look at it's just towering over us. Alright, let's go down the slides. The angle right now. Alright, are you ready to be kicked down the slide? You're gonna get a football for Christmas.
Oh no, no bye.
Here we go. Are you ready? Set. Go. Oh no, Elsa's beating me. Oh shit. Oh, that's an actual rug burn. You beat me.
I won.
So wait, what time do you go on your break if the clock never moves? They gotta make ice batteries for it. I like this year a lot better than the Charlie Brown Christmas one that I went to the other year. He looks like a deranged Easter bunny. He looks like a pink nightmare. Oh my god, oh there he is. Yeah, oh god, oh, the feet really creep me out down there. There he shot the BB, and then there he is. God, I shot my eye out.
Bumpuses!
Oh, poor turkey. The best scene in the entire movie is when they cut off the duck head. It's smiling at me. Oh, the end, no. Woo!
It's the reason for the season.
They ended with the manger scene. All right, time to exit to the warmth. I can't feel my hands when I'm with you. Oh gosh, I can't see you guys. Nose gets kind of runny. Some people think it's funny, but it's not. Oh, that was so much fun. I had a blast, literally out of my nose. It's an interesting looking trash can there. Well, on that note, we are ending it. We had a blast. We about to go to Disney Springs to go check out the Christmas tree trail. We're here to go to the Christmas tree holiday adventure begins here. This might be the most beautifully disturbing Christmas tree I've ever seen. You got the Haunted Mansion. Yeah. It's weird that he's like trapped in a little box like Tinkerbell. We have Snope. I report we have Snope in the air. Right, this is literally the best sign in the entire world. So we realized inside these boxes, it's actually ornaments you can buy. You got the frozen tree, but wait, you said Sven took a bite? Or I think a child might have taken a bite. I don't know what that makes. Are there any canine crunchies on you? Oh, there are. There are canine crunchies right there. Oh my god. It is a spoonful of sugar. They give a little dingle hopper right there. This is literally the most terrifying mermaid I have ever seen. They made a Muppets Christmas tree. If you're gonna advertise these little ornament cases, at least give us some Muppets. Oh, you got Dumbo. Next year I want to see a little Danny DeVito sitting on the top of that tree. And I'm honored. They made a sign about us. You got the Star Wars one, but how can you beat lightsabers on top of a Christmas tree? It's my favorite so far, but it does kind of look like they just went into the Star Wars launch bay, grabbed the plush, chop the head off of Jawa. Gotta end it with the annual pass holder tree. They love their monorails, they love their Epcot balls. They have a magical holiday. Why, thank you, Disney, I will. Well, guys, let's end the video with a sneak peek at day number 3 of Disneyland. Alright, he's gotta dry off after Splash Mountain. But make sure to get that booty. Jerry, get in that scene, Jerry.
What?
Oh dear Lord, what's wrong with him?
Crack is whack.